Hi, good morning friends. I'm your lovely Shashi. Today I want to show you how to germinate this plant by a leaf. When we talk about this plant, this is an herbal plant which is used in Ayurvedic medicines. This leaf is used as cure for tonsils and kidney stones. Okay, let us move to how to plant this. What we need a compost soil and also a healthy leaf like this. There's nothing difficult to do like this. What we have to do is you just make it like this and keep the leaf in it. Put some soil. Okay, you can see the soil is little bit wet, so we no need to put water about 3 days. Keep this in a light dark place. This is after 6 days back. You can see small babies. Yes, it is the plant. What you have to do is keep this in a light sunlight and put some water by a spray machine. Don't put more water. This is after about 15 to 20 days back. You can see well grown babies. What you have to do is, after this plant is getting like about 5 inches, you can separate all the babies and plant in separate vases. And finally, you can have a big plant like this. It must go about 6 months to flower. The flower is so nice. You can keep this plant as a decor on your table too. Okay, thank you friends. If you watch my video, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.